Bird songs and calls. Can birds talk to each other? Communication is important to birds, especially in places where they cannot see very far. For example, birds that live in grasslands may have trouble seeing predators or even their own young among the plant stems. They also need communication for defending a territory, finding a mate, and other important activities like migrating and feeding. Birds talk to each other by making sounds and other noises and by their behaviors. What are bird songs? Songs are specific patterns of notes repeated with few variations. They are used to attract mates and mark the territory needed for producing and rearing young. Each species has its own specific song or songs. Some birds, like the northern cardinal, have over a dozen calls and songs. Some birds, like the gray catbird and the northern mockingbird, can mimic the songs of other birds, humans, and our products. European starlings can imitate a car alarm. Just like humans, bird songs have regional dialects. Some birds know how to sing instinctively, while others must listen to the songs of adult birds to learn them. Can birds talk to us? Birds aren't really talking to us with their songs, but if you learn bird songs, you can identify a bird by its song. Here are some descriptions in words of what a few bird songs sound like to people. White-throated sparrow, poor Sam Peabody, Peabody, Peabody. Yellow warbler, sweet, 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 I'm so sweet. American robin, cheerio, cheery me, cheery me. American goldfinch, potato chip, potato chip. Red-winged blackbird, conch laree.
Diversity. Said plants? Sure.
White-breasted nuthatch, yank, yank. Red-eyed vireo, going up, coming down. What are bird calls? When alerting others of danger, birds call instead of singing. Calls are shorter than songs and not as complex in pattern. Calls are also made when birds are feeding or migrating. Precocial young communicate with their parents through a location call. When a covey of northern bobwhite quail is split up, they locate each other and rejoin the group through a gathering call. Hunters use bird calls when hunting some species of birds to imitate the calls of those birds and draw the birds towards them. These types of calls can be made by the person or through an artificial calling device.
Those are woodies.
How do birds make sounds? Birds do not have vocal cords. To produce sounds, vibrations are sent across the syrinx of a bird. The more muscles a bird has attached to the syrinx, the more types of sounds it can make. For instance, northern mockingbirds have many muscles and can produce a variety of sounds, while rock pigeons' singular pair of muscles result in only the single coo sound. What other ways do birds communicate? Many other types of communications are used by birds too. Hungry nestlings peck at their parents' beak or open their mouths widely to beg for food. Male ruffed grouse drum. And the greater prairie chicken boom to attract a mate. Sandhill cranes and American woodcocks have elaborate mating dances and flights. A male wild turkey will spread its tail and drop and rattle its wings to attract a mate.